rise, I capture bodies, talk, confused, interviews with the D.I.U. You excavate, get messed up. Reality's ounces, cold days, bounce, and you more trap, crack, smack with doom, my boom. Look at your health, your wealth, your self-respect. Been sacrificed, hallucinating, deep and sweating, feeling lazy, daisy. The world seems hazy, but still you in dough. Patterns don't solve, cause the problem stress, yes. Time and foes, you're behind, yo, not getting fell, no. Sending to suicide, you hear the nail. Hell awaits you as you cross the bars, crying. Your soul's dying, the grave's calling, I'm still writing brainiac.
Back to birth, so let us run on these over and turn. This confirmed that your appearance is firm. Release the rage and cage display play like a child you're afraid. We know the fools are outraged, slackness, we detest, put our rest, yes, while I progress, no stress, up and down in the process. Metaphor that I'm word for word, beat for beat, will to leak the weak, while I'm catching like sun. Stands, the spoken one, brother, I matter. M.A.D.R.Y. attack, I hate to say no flare. All I see physical, chicks for lyrical. Gemini, Kool, Imperial, out and see the money rolls out, the river rolls. He'll be the poet, you know when it's got full my control. The lyrics they reach and teach, I'm taking my peaks, and I feel the force unleashed, cause I'm the path through the structure.
I'm a gripper, MC manipulator, charismatic, magnetic, poetic, artistic, realistic, rhyme, athletic, static, I don't feel it, a bit inch, a bit skilling, chilling, putting million, maxing, final facting, lane, paying taxes, writing 36 beat buzzes, putting buzzes, breaking answers, making buzzes, apply goals, except don't lift up, too rough, never been handcuffed, break it down, suicidal.
Talk me the dick in a half a doctor. Come on, GrandMaster, let's rock. Wait, what?
Check 1, 2, 1.
To the beat.
1, 1, 2, 1, 2.
On it.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh yeah, you're now listening to the sounds of the man that they call GrandMaster Flas, Easy Mike, the disco B, and I am the man that they call Melle, Rockwell. GrandMaster Flas behind the wheels of steel, got to be the real deal. More jams in the sea, got clams, more sides, they call me Island, got rides. More class in Central Park, got grass, Flas, got rap with fast. 2 times. You don't stop that body rock, cause it's on. I like popcorn, and the beat don't stop till the break of dawn. I like a little boy too blowing on his horn. A Saturday night, a dance marathon. I like a grasshopper hopping on the morning lawn, and you know it got to be on. GrandMaster Flas in the disco beat, Easy Mike, and I'm the MC. You walk in the place, you listen to the bass. See Melle with a smile on his face. The king's on his own, another microphone. You should know by now, you'll never be alone. Now when I rap so deaf, so nice and trench, you should know by now I don't settle for less, cause I'm on, bad, cooling out. You say Melle bad, without a doubt. I'm down for Flas, you make a lot of cash. We say, come on Flas, cause you cut so fast. You don't stop. You don't stop that body rock, because the beat is going to be the sure shot. Now you say everybody's here today at the Celebrity Club. Now if you want to get down, if you want to get down to the funky sound, somebody say ho, ho. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Come on, get on the floor, freaking some more. Get what you paid that money for. Do what you do best, get it off your chest. You're rocking with the best and not the rest. Come on, Melle, huh? And I rock so well from the top of the world to the depths of hell. Oh girl, I wanna rock your world. Oh girl, I wanna rock your world. I get funky, I get funky, I get a funky. I'm not here to pay nobody's way. I'm here for you to check out what I say. So before I go, before I quit, you're gonna know I don't pop no sugar hill. I'm Melle, you know I rock well from the top of the world to the depths of hell. Rocking with the best, with the most finesse. Taking the top and leave the one left with the face of gold, a heart of stone. I need a crew, but I'm stone to the bone. Cause I played the games in the paper, price to be smooth and ice like paradise. Run the ground, just pound to trick you say please. City kill the tree until the rock to your knees. I'm coming off all the time cause I'm the undisputed king of the disco rhyme. So help me out, but just help me out, but just help me turn it out. Everybody in the place, the bass is in your face. I'm the first place in the DJ race. The sound that you hear, it sounds so dear. DJ Flas is so nice and clear. So to let me know that you like the show, everybody say ho, ho. You don't stop that body rock because the beat is gone to say the beat is gone to say the beat is gone to be the show shot. GrandMaster Flas, everybody. GrandMaster Flas, behind the wheels of steel. Say what? You got it, Flas. Oh, girl. Hit it, Flas. You don't stop that body rock. Now just throw your hands in the air and wave it like you just don't care. If you like the sound and you want to get down, somebody say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
ready to rock the house. Where Brooklyn at?
Oh, the house.
Brooklyn number one. Let me hear you say, hey. Yeah. Okay, we ready to rock. You ready, Shan?
Start it off, bitch. Tell them who we are.
1, 1, 2, 1, 2, up, up, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, up, up. I like to introduce myself. My name is Markie, and that's MC Shan, and Marley Mob, and Mr. Magic. Can't forget Five Top, and my man Claudio, and Mike C, and my man Harmony, and Sir Brown. We're gonna do a little something like this.
All of his beats and my rhymes are clear. It's Markie, the beatbox is here. We're always here at a popsicle. Since beats and my rhymes combine make force. I say it's like a force cause the force is strong. And if you think I'm talking shit, you're thinking wrong. All your other beatboxers are a bunch of jerks. Fizz, give them an example how a beatbox works. Now what's going on with MCs today? MCs today think they have some clout. You can half understand what they're talking about. When I go to a jam, I often get upset hearing MCs saying things that they'll someday regret. Half the MCs today are writers, the other half mixed folk rappers. Some can't seem to keep a steady pace, and if you're in the category, then that's a disgrace. It's a race of MCs you will never pass if the beat's too slow and you saying hip-hop, that is best sense. You gotta write the freshest rhymes that make some sense, cause you're always guaranteed to go through screening. When I say make sense, need to have some meaning. The rhyme's so right, won't be no hit. From the day that you wrote it, sounded just like shit. You deliver some lines with anticipation. Other lines have no motivation. I hope you listen close to what I had to say, cause I'm asking you what's wrong with MCs today. You're being hypnotized by every rhyme I make. I'm gonna sit back and chill while Prince and Marley break. Now what goes up, you know what must come down. I'm gonna show you how a real rock MC sound. While I'm in the game for fame and wealth, I'm gonna talk a little bit about myself. Well, I'm the kind of guy most MCs dread, cause I see the freshest things on the top of my head. MCs like me are hard to find. Crack the mic and leave the rest to my mind. There'll be no contemplation, famous across the nation.
Y'all ready to have a good time tonight? Well, can I get an amen? In the house. Can I get an amen? Oh, Lord. Yeah. Yo, I want to do some talking, Mike. Oh, shit, see? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell y'all a little story. In the year 1989, and better yet 1986, we approached the third generation of the Zulu Nation, and that goes down Jungle Brothers, Ultramagnetic, and then we got brothers like De La Soul. Yeah. De La Soul. Don't forget the women. Brand Nubians. New Sounds. New Sounds. Queen Latifah. Moni Love. Go by the name Mama Zulu. Moni Love, who made Grandpa's Party. And we like to say, we also like to say, what's up to the brother that kicked all this shit off. And back when he kicked all this shit off, I was just in my diapers. I do believe it was like around 1972. Africa Bambaataa, our grandfather in the Zulu Nation. Yeah, word up. Everybody put your hands together for our grandfather, Africa Bambaataa. I love the motherfucker with all my heart. Yeah. All my heart. Yo, yo. Grandpa, I mean that whole lot. I mean that whole lot. Word. Word up. Is it time? It's time. Time to kick shit off the way Grandpa used to want that shit kicked off. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. How many of y'all like reggae? Wait a minute. I said how many of y'all like reggae? Oh baby. Yo, yo. 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 How many ladies we got in the house? Oh. I want the ladies to go, ow. Yo. But it's the fellas who take charge in the song. Huh? Sweet Daddy. Come on. Put your hands in the air like this. Come on. Oh, shit. I'm against that girl. Oh, you look fine. You know what? I wanna do you. I get busy. Keep my body busy. Every time I get near, I want to act like a grizzly bear. Say what? You got long hair. You play hard to get, but Africa does not care. Because there's plenty of fishes out there with the sea. If you don't want to be with me, you say you have a lion. But I can say he is a boy. I'm a man, and he is just a toy. Something that you pick up, or play with, and put down. The girl, you can have me all year round. Don't want to get you upset. I just want to get to you. Come on, wanna look closer, let you know I wanna do you. I'm gonna do you. Whoa. Now my name is Mike G. No need to act stupid. You're feeling low. You got shot by Cupid. You homie, you told me, cause my name is worth money. I give you some shit. Now you seem to act funny. What's it? You got blitzed off of one simple gift. Oh, that you couldn't resist when I threw you the gift. Let's do this, not just to say we did it, cause I'm committed. Girl, he's committed to do you. You had me pictured as the man in your dreams, but everything good ain't as good as it seems. Because I love you. I need you, but girl, you're just too good for me to try to seize you. The first day I met you, I felt there's no one need. That's why I told you up front that I was gonna see the fellas. I'm gonna do you. I'm gonna do you. I'm gonna do you. Whoa. Jungle brother. Face you like a man, treat you like a baby, hold you by the hand, I give you a yard, you try to take a mile, you're grinning in my face, calling me your pal, my brother's coming up to me singing, yo, he ain't true blue, go Africa, he's biting off of you, he's trying to get over, so watch your back, I say no problem, home, because we got it like that, so if you really want to know who's doing who, say what, you can tell your whole tribe that I'll be doing it, everybody, I'm gonna do ya, I'm gonna do ya. I'm gonna do you. One more time, come on. I'm gonna do ya. I'm gonna do ya. I'm gonna do ya. Whoa. Go jungle. What? Go jungle. Say what? Go jungle. Here we go. Go jungle. Sweet daddy. Go jungle. Sweet daddy. Go jungle. Sweet daddy.
Goddamn crust. He is. Goddamn crust. He is. Goddamn crust. Here we are. My boy too. Crust. Team of boys on the mic, exploding if you get too close like dynamite. I've heard all your rhymes, but it's now my turn. Tough foundation, like permafrost. Get off if you're on my ship. Demon D. Around the magic potion I sip. You sit down. I study my rhymes. Somebody pass me a gun and I'll shoot at the boy who bites. I pull the trigger, threaten me, and I'll snigger in your face. Make you look small while I'm tall. Fighting is illegal against the law, no crap. I am on the stack, Mike J. Listen to my record on wax every day. Some guys are hot, flexible. Me, I'm open to opinions and flexible. Flexibility in rhymes and movement. Moving around on the floors in groovement. Suddenly I stop, look on stage. See my face, boy, see the rage. It's been 2 years since the Demon Boys joined. Taking us time to get to this point where I have grown and we're known to the growth. The microphone I've shown is both a tool and you can rule cause it's a weapon. If you're getting hunted, then you're friend. I hope you weren't flying on the microphone staying. Listen, when your clothes come from Ox fam, so do you. You better behave with rock a dance, a session, a jam, and a raid. You say you're number one, then I'm afraid you're live. Destroying participation of apartheid. Color of skin, is irrelevant. Creed and kin are both equivalent. Both equal and right. Black against white in a fight is sick. Just acting like you just been born. Instead of that crap, come on, watch us perform. Devastates break, it's soon coming up. Come in the jam and we'll say what's up. That's about the only thing that won't come down. God say it as a phrase from all around. Now possess and confess, you're in a daze. See us perform and you'll have to gaze. This is in the back, get on the making sucker boys out there. Look at me first, that's why my name's D. And any place I go, I can ride a tempo, and I ain't so low. Now there's a lot of guys out there trying to make it real big. The final sounds good, but when it comes to a gig, your voice sounds crappy, the crowd's not happy. Move your face, make haste. I make it snap because I'm rougher than an animal.
Coming like a rhino.
I'm rougher than an animal.
Coming like a rhino.
I'm rougher than an animal, lyrics like a cannibal. Rock to Vietnam, my jam was never bannable. Like Tyson, never stoppable. Knock it if you're knockable. My posse on the floor, man,
That's impossible.
rockin' at a jam, or rock at a session. Grab the mic with tight, then I rap with aggression. My lesson, no messin', it's a good impression. No jesting, but progressing. My rhyme's not depressing, but exciting. Delighting, like Tyson when he's fighting. Take my time when I'm writing. You'll never catch me biting. Inspiration I use, got the mic to rock the nation. Mike G, a devastate and me. The creation, getting rougher and rougher. Building up my reputation, getting tougher and tougher. Use my voice for nomination. Get my money on time, get my honey a grind. Damn, putting to paper before I never rhyme. So don't diss me, because you're coming like a dinosaur. Don't ask for war, cause I will show you the score. Understand what I'm giving? I destroy factorism, racism. Now there ain't no bragging, no nagging involved. No big time mystery that has to be solved. My story is true, cause it ain't fake. Wait, more lyrics after DJ Devastate.
Can we hear your funky fresh scratching again? Can we hear your funky fresh scratching again? Me, I'm regrettable, unforgettable. Information in your face, go gettable. Buy it, I supply it. Rhymes on wax, on tap. Create a battlefield like Iraq or Iran. I am on a stand like J, not rational, but international airplay. You hear it, you bear it, and you want it. Some are attracted, or some run from it. It's amazing that you're gazing at my untransparent rhymes. I have, you have it. Going on for long like salami. Stand in line like the army. Dominant, high, supreme like a tower. Pushing out a force, I'm pushing out a power. High pitch sound from the amplifier. I can't pop or I am my rhymes, cause that's fire.
Well, I don't like the way the police force drops it. The way that they treat the youth, they should stop it. No wonder there's a feel of isolation. No reason at all they carry out interrogation. They done it on my home with the floor. Every time the past, there's a feel of war. I ignore the trouble cause I just can't win. All I do is look away. I start rhyming in my head. My friends say I'm dread cause I'm cool. I don't front like some kind of fool.
We're no harm, all we do is make calm. Won't punch you in the face with a thrust on my arm unless you bite or rewrite what I wrote. Demon grabs you up and I wring your throat. Do not rap what don't belong to you, and do not say that you never knew, cause you're lying. And I hate liars. I don't mind you humming, I rap if you're a buyer of the record. Now that's an exception. You can play it in your wedding reception. All that means is more promotion. Girls get heated when they see us in motion. DJ Devastate spins down from time, directly behind in a parallel line. Yes, he's bad and he sure means business. If you're stuck up, girl, then mind your business. Tell me you're a fugitive, a representative. Your crew is underground, you're oversensitive. Paranoid. And you're scared of being destroyed. Ashamed. Put down and out of function. Looking from left to right at every junction. So pay attention, don't let your mind sway. Timothy and my J. Yeah, yo, to the twilight burn. Digging 88, others a germ learn. I am an addict, my rhymes are automatic, dramatic. When I touch the mic, I'm like static. This is the jam. What's the name of the first? To all you fighters out there, this'll quench your thirst. Night nurse, you have to use booper. Stormtrooper, yes we are the super. And if I was a singer, I'd sing my song. See my boys go on.
And my rap is strong, 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 strong.
It's like a one for the treble and two for the bass. Theodore, huh? Let's dog to play.
Do a shot, body rock, y'all. It's like that, y'all. And you don't stop. Hey, diddle, diddle, go the fiddle, cause the cat is in the middle. Does it rhyme with the middle? Does it wanna take the middle? Have a life and be a little longer, think you feel the middle. And that notion full of lotion, cause it's like a magic potion. But my notion that the potion will suck a lung commotion with the catch to a man. You don't seem to understand instead of how he says me out. This is how it says out. So the cat would try my lesson somewhere on the line. The only thing he hears is being that because of Kumo D. Walking over looking weather, talking of a teaching weather, knowing south and east, whether human or a beast. I'm so full of disco power. It ain't an MC that I can't devour in an hour. Talking fast the Heo style with Mo D. The disco tower power. Let's rock, y'all. If you don't stop, well, I'm letting you know that when I have a show, no matter what the time, the people won't come. Cause they wait and wait for Mo D to come. Because everybody in the place wants some. The anticipation of the people in the crowd. For me to say Uncle Mo D makes me so proud. Then as I walk through the door, you say the face light up and then they clear the floor. Roll out the red carpet, baby, then they start to sing on Mo D, y'all. And he is the king. And on the microphone, I'll accommodate. Come rock the party for an hour. Mo D, say there is no questions about my reign. It ain't an MC that I can't bang. And I'll rock the house and everybody knows Mo D, y'all. It's only one of those to the K-double-O-L-M-O-E. And don't you forget the D-E-E. You say Kool Mo D to the highest degree. I rock the world and the society. Cause I used to be there with DJ Lee. But now there is no MC better than me. So when it comes to the parties that they call Mo D.
Stand by 10 seconds. Stand by to initiate release sequencer. On my mark. 5.
We're on express elevator to hell. Going down.
2. 1. Mark.
God damn it! I ordered a whole fire.
War! Step up with a heavy hand, check retreat, subdue, more money back, tear the wires, now you're letting us sneak through. Hammer and nails round your bed if you don't do. Voices airborne, a face to recognize. Pizza kids, come forth and be wise. Trip wire, it's nasty, step back. Cover yourself from the friend with a blue back. Bloodstained face, devious spells the reaper. He holds the light, he's your life keeper. Steps on a light, your heart's on a beeper. Looking for riches, half this one's cheaper. Rhymes, we bury him solo. Gun in your pocket, son, that's a no-go. Say at the end of the line, we say nothing. You ain't on the dragon's back, you need donkey black. Watch out for your own back, your mind, it breaks that boss on a tank track.
It's from small arms fire. It's from small arms fire. It's from small arms fire.
Caught in the crossbar, fucked with pain. Stage up a rain, breaks every domain. Lift to a list to unload. Go for the operation of plants in most cold. Intimidate the time, the quality of style. Advance in the battle, make this worthwhile. Heavy unity, don't rap for money, I'm no mercenary. The battle's on the way, sending us by. We can't the mix, now the troopers or die. Unlock your weapons, such stronghold. Grip depth the pen, you can't reload. Moving for the kill, and the attack, first run the soul. The rhyme army, shot, troop, shot, fight to victory. Slide these bench, on to the ready. Scale the face, sure but steady, steady, steady.
It's from small arms fire. It's from small arms fire. It's from small arms fire.
According to the papers, they're saying it. They tend to die like no one wants to display it. It's called peace, knowledge, it was his armament. What's the battle boys carry as armament? Minds are peace, these minds won't cease. See how much anger these hands can release. To the mind and I'll find shoots the sauce you call fire and life off to the arm, to the mind to disarm. Put some doom, quick crash, shoot my shell. Keep ready, those who repel hell, educate while my celerity. Silence abuses that conquer me. Making my tour from this as a slay. Varying chance on the song about today. Look who we're towering, now them inspiring. Now they know scandal is changing their wiring. Take out the pieces, throw them away. Heads will turn with these new minds we lay.
It's from small arms fire. It's from small arms fire. Are you reading it?
No longer wait for the burning gun sound. If it gone fast, not to the ground. Flying to round behind the tank. First run the assault line, not blank. Ain't no assault cause that's me a war. Engaged in a battle of frontal uproar. Any back down, core on the fire. Heat seeker cold, destruction of the empire. Hit the core, troops move in. Enemy withdraw, we drink their losing. Countries on, break through the barricade. Troop shot dead, line starts to fade. False delay, plant the detonator. Impact the real bomb, not simulator. Military one, line to operate. Cover me now.
probably seismic survey charges.
Let's rock!
Where you want it?
Fantastic Five. They ain't no comp. We'll eat them alive. Because we're the best. When it comes to rapping. And like the fly said, it was bound to happen. Well, the time has come. And let the battle begin. And let the crowd be the judge of who wins. Because we don't need tuxedos. Because all we gonna do is talk Kevin, I, and Master Robin, Whip, and Rudy D like we always do. Say what? We battle fantastic. And here's a little gift. To let you know before you go just who y'all think I'm with. It's Charlie, Chase, Tony, So, and the Pro Crushing Mother. Tough ass for MCs. Yeah. Yep. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. You know the floor is fresh now. Check it out. Hey, y'all. Yes, it's true. The floor got a brand new song for you. We got routine rhymes and dances too. So what you wanna do? Chase, Joan, and the four. You never heard a crew like this before. And the way we rock the town should be against the law. We got much more. GrandMaster Cab, raising hell. And I'm the hut maker called JDL. I'm Easy A Jones to get the D, and I'm KG. So all my creed, no doubt, we're the best. With the 64, you do not mess. And if there's a battle, the whole fest. So let's go west. We rock the very best. Go get it off the chest. Give it so intense. Pro Crush. And it's like that, cause we never do act, and we don't believe in that Zodiac. Well, it's one for bass, two for crew. Come on, Dave, yo, that's our level. Yeah. Somebody say ho. Say ho. Now it's 13, 14, no, it's 15, no, it's 16, it's 17, 18, 1981, and before the year is done, everybody's gonna know that we're on the go like Crazy Joe on the 7-0. And when 82 rolls around, we'll still be getting down with a funky dance that puts you in a trance. You got to see it to believe it. We'll put on a show, and you know we can't be beaten. We prove that we could make you move. Our rhymes are being chewed and eaten, but we keep rocking on and making up new songs. So here we go, once again. Come on. Well, I'm captain of the four. DM Taz with the rhymes galore. And I'm JJDL with all the fire tail, but I won't brag about it no more. Baby, and no, you're not in a dream. Who's you? I'm Easy A, known as Supreme. Hey girl, as it's plain to see that I'm the almighty, and we are the co-crushing tough ass for MCs. Won't you please hear what we're saying? We want you to enjoy yourself when you hear the foreplay. So till we meet again, this song will have to end. So let the show go. So let the show carry on. So let the battle begin. And know the battle will begin. We're going to win. We know the battle will begin. We're going to win. Master Rock, are you ready to win the G? The gusto is going home with me. Master Rob, are you ready to win the G? The gusto is going home with me. So whip a whip, are you ready to win the G? The gusto is going home with me. Ruby D, are you ready to win the G? The gusto is going home with me. Kevin Kev, are you ready to win the G? The gusto is going home with me. The way the cold dress on the face you feel ashamed. You know I slang, now here's our real name. I'm Kevin. I'm Daryl. I'm James. I'm Ruben. And my real name is Robin.
The state Supreme Court denied a request to delay the execution of Edward Earl Johnson.
Yeah, I know you can taste what I'm saying, but I ain't staying, so stop praying. I'm releasing a bulletin. It's a sin. You ain't unidentified. You know who you are. So let's go, friend. Overlord X.
Like this, it's like Mission Impossible for the problem or for the double like this. The sunny side's like this, charging you for something that is just fiction. We know facts, getting brothers in chains cause the color is black, so they broke laws. That's what's justice for, the equal balance for the rich man and the poor. Erase prejudice and raise conflict, all the same in one big devil pit. You help yours, I help mine. That's how I handle it, my own kind 4 times. Ready to get punishment. What would happen if I reach Parliament? A big dream of some, I'm not meant for others, because we're all different colors. 40 days in May, 40 days in May, 40 days in May. I like my own way. 40 days in May, 40 days in May, 40 days in May. Let's go, Fred. Yo, peace for God's world for the planet Earth. I will with this, you want a different turf. You're being grey, you're being bloodless. With money power, you get a blood first. On others you oppose that are different. It's in that, and you are persistent. With a manner not open to the public, but I see that you are culprit. Your family, and I protect them from suckers when they come again. Got to force for them jelly brains. The light colors almost like this thing. In effect, they're all like to disrespect my own, but the secrets are not kept from me. Overlord and my posse. Interrogate thee. So just try me. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. I like my own way. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. Do you move on them? That's the whole race. That's what I would do. Feel like speakers, you are not due. To put a torture, the seconds they tick tock. You slow it down to the big clock. Give up in life feels like a hellfire. Boy, if I had an empire, the death row would be nothing, I promise you. So keep going, my beat just now blue. Like I'm proud to be black, it's like that. I never changed and my hand will clap. 18th century won't be forgotten. I'm not picking on color. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. I love my own way. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. 40 days in May. I have my own way.
It's just a dawn in a fair party. Judgment Day is coming, so I gotta tell you something. Look out for your neighbors and do me a favor. Clock these rhymes.
Yo.
Bad boys, the light colors they're giving me. I'm on a rampage, you can't stop me. But the star make you run a mile. My brother's backing me up, cause the man did smile. Like niggas ain't making the phone. So how you fool, I'm a
seconds. Well, it's a second.